Now next is Google Driver, that explained by the Rasik Patel.
Google Drive, with the Google Driver, you can store your file in the cloud, share them with our teams members or extended partner, and access the file from any drives. So now, by use of the Google Drive to store out the data as per the requirement of the user, to store the data from particular location. Now next, since Google Drive is part of Google application for work, you can also manage sharing the setting from your organization and view access report to protect your contents. So means by Google Drive to provide the facilities about the store the data in a security basis. Now next is, now learn how to use the Google Drive, formerly Google Docs, to benefit from the cloud storage space for the free, and learn how to share a PowerPoint presentation. In short, by use of the Google Drive to provide the facilities about to store the data in a number of format as per the requirement of the user. Now, as per the discussion about the previous facility like the Google Translators, Google Translators is also provide the user friendly facilities. Suppose the anyone user is to use the Google Drive, as well anyone user use the internet as Google, that time the user is not understand about the anyone language like English language, the user is only understand the Gujarati language. Now that time by Google to provide the translate the language from machine language to user language, and by translate to easily understand user language. At same time by Google to provide the drive facilities to store the number of data, and this facility is totally free to store the data from number of requirement of space. Now next is Google Drive as a free collaboration tool for editing presentations and sharing the document online. By Google Drive to provide the facility in a free of cost to editing, presenting, and the sharing a number of documents, is provide up to 15 GB online space to Google users. By Drive to provide the space up to 15 GB for the particular user. Now next is, before using the Google Drive, user required the Gmail account. So just only the minimum requirement is there. Before use out the Google Drive, first of all, to basic requirement is there, user have on Gmail account. Using Gmail account, user can upload and store document in any one format like photos, videos, doc file, presentation file, whatever file is required to uploading from user side. This all file is acceptable by the Google Drive. Now next is explained by the Sunil Patel.
Now, as we discussed in Google Drives, if you want to use a Google Docs, at that time we also required a Gmail account. Without using a Gmail account, you cannot create a Google Docs online and easy to use. What is a Google Docs? That is an easy to use documentation, presentation and spreadsheet editors that enables you to create, store and share instantly and securely. Now for use of Google Docs, you have to go to the URL, that is docs.google.com. After using that URL, that is, now which are the benefit using the Google Docs? Now first of all, that is no software to download. Means if you want to make any documents like Word file, spreadsheet, then presentation, at that time there is no need to the document or software download. Then same, your work can be accessed from any computer and any time. Means using a Google Docs, you can access your documents online where any computer you are using. Now that is completely free because of it provides an online facility. Just we need a Google account on Gmail. Now then, how will student benefits from Google Docs? So that is a promotes and encourage group collaboration. Means throughout the Google Docs, the student can encouraged by the group collaboration, means that is provided online, that's why that is created by the group. Then work can be accessed and completed from anywhere at any time. As we have discussed, that is a part of the simple where we are used. Then Google News. Now Google News is a news site that aggregates headlines from the various sources such as Indian Times, Top Stories, Business, etc. Google News displays stories and headlines according to the reader's personalized interest. Now which are the features? That is personalized news, Google email alerts, then Google mobile alerts, new achievement search. Now the next service is using Google Maps. Now Google Maps can view the geographic view as a map online. For example, google.co.in maps, it provides a Indian map. Same thing when we find out a Canada map, at that time just we have to write down www.google.ca/maps. It display the Canada map. Now user can also view a specific location like city, town, village, business, plots, etc. through the Google Maps. Now in short, using Google services, we can easily create our documents through the Google Docs. We can store Google drives, etc.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.